In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password to a PDF document. If you want to protect a PDF that contains private, sensitive, or important information, adding a password is a simple and effective way to control access. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the full process using a PDF editor, such as Adobe Acrobat or another tool that supports password protection. To begin, open your PDF editor and then open the PDF file you want to secure. Make sure you're working with the correct version of the document before applying protection, especially if you have multiple copies saved on your device. Once the file is open, go to the area where security settings are managed. Depending on the software you're using, this may be found under the File menu or under options labeled Protect or Security. The wording can vary slightly from one program to another, but you're looking for the section that controls document access and encryption. From there, choose the option to password protect or encrypt the PDF. This tells the software that you want the file to require a password before someone can open it. Next, create a strong password. A good password should include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Try to avoid simple or predictable combinations. It's also a good idea to choose something memorable for you, but difficult for others to guess. Since this password will be required to open the file later, make sure you store it somewhere safe if needed. In some PDF editors, you'll also have the option to configure permission settings. This step is optional, but it can be useful if you want to limit what others can do with the document. For example, you may be able to restrict printing, copying, or editing in addition to requiring a password to open the file. After that, confirm the password by entering it again. This helps prevent errors caused by mistyping. It's an important step because even a small mismatch could lock you out of the document. Now save the PDF to apply the new protection settings. In some programs, you may want to use Save As, so you can keep an unprotected backup copy if necessary. Finally, test the file, close the PDF, then reopen it to make sure the password prompt appears and the protection is working correctly. If the prompt appears and the correct password opens the file, then everything is set. Your PDF is now secured with a password, helping protect confidential information from unauthorized access.